Hi everyone, this is the video of the series 5-minute illustration challenge where I am trying to create illustrations in just 5 minutes. So stay till the end and find out if I figure out to complete the illustration in just 5 minutes or not. So let's start the video. As this is 5-minute illustration challenge video, so my focus will be on my work, so there won't be any voiceover in between. I'm happy and excited that I'm going to complete this illustration in just 5 minutes. I hope this series will help you too in understanding the basics of illustrations and also coming up with an idea to create your own illustrations in just few minutes. Thanks for sticking till the end. Don't forget to come back tomorrow. So me, Rishabh Kumar from Angry Paper, signing off.